Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best USB Ethernet network adapter. So, stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Baseus Lite USB Ethernet network adapter is a compact and versatile solution for anyone seeking a stable and high-speed wired internet connection. Designed for reliability, portability, and compatibility, it's perfect for users who often deal with weak Wi-Fi signals or need a dependable backup for damaged LAN ports. Product features: reliable wired connectivity, offers a stable and consistent internet connection, ideal for streaming, gaming, and video calls. Wide compatibility, supports Mi Box 3, 4, and 4C, as well as Apple MacBook devices with USB-A and USB-C interfaces. Campus network support works effectively in environments requiring steady, high-speed network performance. Plug-and-play functionality, no driver installation needed, just connect and use instantly. Compact and portable design, lightweight and space-saving, perfect for travel, work, or study use. High-speed expansion chip reduces latency and ensures uninterrupted data transfer even during heavy network usage. Pros: consistent performance provides a more stable and faster connection than standard Wi-Fi, especially in areas with poor wireless coverage. Versatile device support works seamlessly with popular media boxes, laptops, and computers. Easy setup, true plug-and-play functionality, no technical setup required. Portable and convenient, its small size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Ideal backup solution, perfect for devices with faulty or missing LAN ports. Enhanced stability, the built-in expansion chip minimizes disconnections and lag. Cons: limited to wired use, requires an Ethernet cable, which may restrict mobility compared to Wi-Fi. Dependent on USB ports, occupies a USB slot, which could be inconvenient for devices with limited ports. Final thoughts: the Baseus Lite USB Ethernet network adapter is a smart and affordable solution for anyone who values network stability. Whether you're streaming movies, attending virtual meetings, or gaming online, it delivers reliable performance with effortless setup. While it may lack the flexibility of wireless connections, its dependability and portability make it an excellent choice for users who need solid wired internet access anytime, anywhere. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.